All right, guys, what's going on? Eric here. It's September 2nd, um, Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Great trading day again. Um, Ended with about maybe $1,600 of profit, whatever. 4 trades, all green. Pretty good. So it's pretty much the second video of the workshop that we're going to be talking about here. This section, I'm just going to go over a little bit of things about software. Quickly retouch on what I was talking about last video about hardware that you need for day trading. And then we're going to jump into pretty much reviewing the trades that I took today so you can get a glimpse of it, get some more ideas, because the more you guys see this stuff, the better you're going to get at it. And we'll go from there. Doing the video a little bit late because, of course, the game started and I need to watch the game. And plus, I was still in a trade of APOP, if you guys seen that I posted in the Face group. Plenty of times. But anyways, had to wait for that trade to get over with. So yeah, let's jump into this part of the workshop, day 2, and make some green. All right. So pretty much last video we were talking about basically the hardware that you need for trading. One quick thing I meant to mention as well too that I forgot yesterday as well too. Not really a much touched on subject, but when you know what to look for in those patterns, you're probably going to end up making a lot of money. Okay. So that's pretty much the 4 trades that I want to review for you guys. Man, those were some great examples just to kind of show you guys how the thought process is day to day when I'm looking at stocks with those 4 pretty much showing you every trade that I, type that I look for when it comes to, trading these stocks and how I'm able to get these gains. Okay. So hopefully that helped you out. If you have any questions, just message me, email me, whatever you need to do. DM me. I'll answer them for you. But yeah, guys, let's let's get after it today. It's Friday right now. Hey, let's take a look at APOP real quick. See where it's at. This is pre-market here. That's not bad. It held some good strength. I might actually look into playing this pre-market. So anyways, let me get back at it, guys. I'm gonna look at price action and see how this thing plays out. I might actually jump in this trade. We'll take a look here and see. I'll post the results in the Facebook group. But yeah. All right. So I'll make this video available for everyone else as well too. The rest of the workshop, you guys in the chat room, you'll have it posted in the video library for you. So take a look at it there. But let's get back to it, you guys. Stay green.